I know I look like literal shit, but I need to get ready. Face is really red. I don't know why it's really red. I already have naturally red face anyways. Like, it always gets so pink and red. But I'm gonna go dry my hair. I've been in the shower and stuff. I was the first one up, I think. Don't know where we're going first. Yeah, I'm gonna go do some stuff. I'm gonna go do my makeup. Did my makeup, but it doesn't look as good as I thought it wanted to be. But I need to go dry my hair. I just realised. I'm also really hungry now, and I need a drink, so we're gonna do that. This lighting's so bad. So we're gonna go to the park. No, we're going to the beach then the park.
Yeah.
We're going to the beach and the park. Also, I have my hair straightened. I haven't straightened my hair since a long time. It looks so long. I'll show you my outfit. Bandana top, denim skirt, and tights, and then the same. And then the same Converse as before, and this cute little bag. Home now and my makeup's practically ruined. I was sitting in sun for ages and of course it's gonna happen, so I edited some of the video when I had the chance because it's gonna be a lot more footage today since we're filming from early morning. But I think they're going to the pool next. I'm not going to the pool. I didn't go to say either. Would love to, but the clothing, 1 and 2, I hate getting inside of my feet, so yeah, not happening 2. INSECURE. Like airing at the house because it's so hot, isn't it, mate? Like, and I hope you'll survive here because people actually live here. It'd be nice to live here actually. But yeah, anything you want to say? I don't think it looks fun, but it sounds fun. So we'll see you when we go somewhere. So we're currently outside. I try to retouch my makeup and it's hot because like we're like constantly in the sun, but it looks better in person, I promise. But we're gonna go to the showbar again, but we're gonna stay there till 11 because that's when it goes on till. Less time if I don't, when I will cry. Then we're probably gonna go. Then we're gonna go home. I'll see you when we are leaving.
It's you and me, ay, it's what you need, ay. I got it now. I gotta know right now. I gotta know right now. You're not the one when it's said and done. It's okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me go. While you make my heart beat faster when we get close. Just take my hand, baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster, I gotta know. It's you and me, ay, it's what you need, ay. I gotta know. I gotta know right now. I gotta know right now. You're not the one.
We're going home a bit early because
When it's said and done, it's okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me go. While you make my heart beat faster when we get close.
we're coming on the way home and I'm boiling, like, look at my makeup's supposed to come off. So tomorrow I'm probably gonna do it like that. It doesn't come off like that. Like do that like type of eyeliner. It was fun though.
But then you know that I won them free chatting.
Take my hand,